Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Hey there, friends. It's Teacher Bernadette here. I'm having a lot of fun with some homemade shakers that I made. They're rhythm instruments that you shake along to the music. Most of you probably use little shaker eggs for music classes that you attend, but you could make some at home for any Zoom music classes that you might be participating in. The easiest ones to make are ones with containers that are already made for you. This was a spice bottle that I had, and I just opened it up and put in some popcorn kernels and rice, and this one has some almond slivers in it, and then just sealed it up and started playing. Now, you can experiment with what you put inside. You could also use dried beans, or you could use beads or anything that's going to make a little bit of sound. And it's up to you, parents, how loud you want that sound to be. I find that if I put the rice in there, it makes a little bit of a damper. But so you want to keep in mind how old your child is and whether they're the kind of child that really just needs to open everything up and they're going to dump it and it's going to go everywhere. Uh-oh. If that is true, you probably want to hot glue gun the cap down. Now, if you don't have a hot glue gun or the time or the energy, you can always tape it shut. Here's some packing tape or this kind of tape or, you know, any tape that you have so that they can't get in there. Now, the other material that you could use is, I bet you recognized it, the toilet paper roll, something near and dear to us at this time of year. So anyway, what you do with this is you can just poke in the sides, poke in one, poke in the other one, and then you can tape it shut. I happen to have this kind of tape, but probably stronger tape is better. You want to make sure that there's no hole there, right? So that none of the materials come flying out when you don't want them to. What I just did there was I kind of taped around the corner because that's kind of the vulnerable spot. There we go. Tape, 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 tape. Maybe one in the middle. And then I'm going to put some things in here. I'm going to pour in my popcorn kernels. Maybe I'll just use popcorn kernels for this one. I also had some rice. We'll throw it in there. Boom. And then shut up the other side. Poke in one side. Poke in the other side. Tape it up. And then you can decorate them. I looked and looked, but I don't have any stickers at home. So, but that's what I would recommend. I would recommend using some stickers or some markers, or you could even paint it and then let it dry. Here's the one that I decorated. Here's this one ready to go. So you can have two shakers. So have fun. You can making shakers at home, and you can bring them to music class. Take care.